Official Vlog.
Sabay-sabay tayong aangat. Let's go!
Hey!
Sa bawat araw na ating ginisin, may kwento ng buhay na gustong sabihin. Pagkain, saya, aral ng mundo, OFW man o saan man, naroon tayo. Sa hirap at saya, magkasama, hindi nag-iisa. May kasama ka sa likod ng kamera, may pusong totoo, handang umunawa, handang tumulong sa'yo. Kahit malayo ang tahanan, pagmamahal ay ramdam naman. Sa bawat ngiti at bawat vlog, isang pamilya, isang tibok. Black BBS o Vlog, dito may saya, dito may yakap. Tulong at suporta, walang kapalit. Sabay-sabay tayong aklat. BBS o Vlog, kaibigan mo sa bawat lab. Hey, yeah!
Black Brody Official Vlog.
Sabay-sabay tayong aangat. Let's go!
Hey!
Feels like second nature.
Let's go na matapos na. Let's go, please. Congratulations sa mga pizza. Ay, wait. Ang bagal ng pag-iikot. Wait lang. Ayan. Congratulations sa may iiwan. Goodbye naman, kita. Lalabas ang pangalan dyan. Goodbye. Yes, Espito! Ate Lord Chanel. Ikaw ang nanalo, Ate Lord. Yes, Espito, ikaw yung maligbo. Ako na itanong guys, ha? Diyan na itanong. Second question, how old my son now on his birthday? How old is my son, DJ? Nabanggit ko yan kayo sa live ko. Nabanggit ko din sa kanya. Andun din sa video yun na parang dun sa birthday cake sa tayo. Ayan. Congratulations, Annalyn. Annalyn, 12 years old. Ang sagot guys is 12 years old. Annalyn na nababisit. Kuya Jeff, love channel, subscribe from Sapna family. Thank you, Sapna, for connecting to our friends out there. Ayan. They are all very supportive, Sapna. You can connect with them. And guys, please connect also and support Sapna. Sapna, it's on the pin. Just go to channel. Watching from Germany, sabi ni Pepe. Salamat, Bebe. Ay, magpahula kaya. Hello. Hi Maria, thank you so much, Bebe. Congratulations, gift. Thank you so much. Yes, it's true. Thank you so much, Mr. Miss. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome to Black Video Official Vlog. And guys, if you have a new video there or upcoming, go and drop your link there, guys. You can drop your link and so that we can support your channel. Thank you so much. But how many is Sir Roberto on the short video of Ma'am Kubay? How many dollars she donated to Ma'am Kubay's and SRJ initiative? How much? How much? Not how many. How much? How much Sir Roberto was donated? What is the name of the baby? What is the name of the baby that Ma'am Kubay gives baby gift bag? Ma'am Kubay give a baby gift bag. What is the name of the baby? Correct spelling guys ha, correct spelling. She gives baby gift bag to whom? What is the name of the baby? Ano tanong? Hindi niyo ako naririnig. Wait. Question.
Kain saya, aral ng mundo, overview man o saan man naroon tayo. Sa